Hi, welcome to mycutetoons. Today we're going to draw a griffin. Grab your marker and follow along with me. As usual, we're going to start with two eyes in the middle of the page. I'm going to draw the lower part of the eye and I'm going to do it both sides, leaving a little gap open, and then on top two pupils, irises, light reflections. Let's color the pupils in. Right above the eyes, you're going to draw eyebrows. Take it back to the eyes, let it touch. We'll do the same on this side. I'm just going to start from this side, and I'm just going to draw eyebrow there as well. Then I'm going to start at the top and I'm just going to draw the top of the head. Bring it to the eyebrow, and on this side let's do the same thing. We're going to draw the feathers. Then we're going to draw the beak. I'm going to draw a little V like this, and then on top I'm just going to follow it through, and I'm just going to draw the beak, and I'm going to draw it all the way around. And on this side we're going to do the same thing all the way around. And then two nostrils. There's one and there's the other one. Now we can draw the head. We can finish off with the head. And we can just bring it down. And from this side we can draw a few lines down as well. And now we're going to draw the breast area or the chest area. And I'm going to make it going down to a point in the middle, and on this side we're going to do the same thing. And now inside we can make some textures. You can do it any way you want. And then from the chest area we're going to start with the legs. So I'm going to draw top parts of the legs going out, and then from there I'm going to draw the front feet, which is like walk talons or talons of an eagle, and I'm leaving just a gap between because I want to draw the nails of these talons. So there we go, and you can just draw the little nails in there. From this side I'm going to start off and I'm going to do the nails again, the toes again. So I'm just going to draw quick toes, take it back, and then I'm going to connect it to the top like I did on this side. The nails, and now from here I'm just going to draw the inside of the feet, one before the other, and just make a few little lines. Let's do the same on this side as well. Now we're going to do the back of the body. On the sides I'm going to make a little line, and I'm taking it down, and I'm going to draw toes. I'm going to leave a little space open like this for a nail. Here we go, and we're going to draw the other toe right there, and inside I'm just going to draw a little line and maybe a line there. Right, on this side we're going to do the same. We're going to draw the toe, and we're just going to do that as well. And on this side we can just draw a line there as well. Good. And there's the hind legs. Now I'm going to draw the two wings. I'm going to start on this side, so I'm going to just make two little lines out, and I'm going to draw both sides at the same time. So first I'm just going to draw a little line up, and I'm going to take it all the way to there. And then on this side I'm going to do the same thing. I'm trying to copy it about the same distance, maybe like that, yeah. And then I'm just going to take it back, and I'm going to follow it back. And connect it to the body. Let's do the same on this side. just zigzag lines and connect back to the body. And now we're going to draw the feathers. I'm going to start on the inside first. I'm going to draw small feathers first. And we'll do it on the other side. And then from this side, a bit longer feathers. Let's do the same on the other side. And then back to this side, and then a longer feathers. So you're going to draw two nice long feathers as well. And let's do it on that side as well. And lastly, we're going to draw a nice tail going out. And we're going to draw a nice bushy tail. And there's a griffin. Now you can look at my picture and try to match the colors, and I'm sure your griffin will look amazing. Thank you for drawing with me. Please don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to my channel, and leave me a comment if you want me to draw something else. And I'll see you soon. Bye bye.